What's good, guys? First of all, shout out to my man Sanj for finally releasing his collections. It's been such a long time and I'm so gassed to be reviewing one of his pieces today. My name is Jimmy and welcome to my channel. I know I haven't been that great at posting any videos lately. I've been extremely busy with my life, been getting a new job and all that, so I've been adapting to a new schedule, but I'm still keeping the vision alive for my YouTube channel. You guys already know what's up in today's video. I'll be reviewing and styling Sange sweatshirt, the cropped in the body elongated sleeves. It is obviously the design that got me the most intrigued when it comes to this piece, and it's a design that is not easy to come by nowadays. So let's jump straight to opening the package. So this is the package. Really nice packaging, I would say. It looks really protected. And let's go ahead and open it up here. Wow. I would assume that you guys are already familiar with Sanj. He's been doing this YouTube thing for like ages, and I've been watching his video for like ages. And he's the main reason, or one of the main reasons, why I started this channel. He has inspired my style endlessly, so I'm really happy to be supporting him when it comes to his collections and his pieces. So first impression of the piece, it feels really great. You can definitely feel that the garment or the cotton used here is high quality. The dye looks really great as well. You can tell that it is supposed to be a vintage dye effect on it, and I can immediately tell that this garment will age really good. This definitely feels very high quality to me, as well as soft, and from my experience, this is how high quality source cotton usually feels like. And I also believe that it's a fair price. It was priced at £140, and to get a design like this nowadays is actually very difficult. The sweatshirt is reversible, so it allows you to rock it with or without the graphics as you see fit, which is always a good option to have, in my opinion. According to Sange's website, the sweatshirts are made in Portugal. The material used are 100% organic cotton sourced from the States, and the ambition here with this garment is to achieve a sort of aged or / vintage effect, as I mentioned earlier, and by undergoing a specialist dye and fade out process as described. The design itself, I would fairly assume, is inspired by the Undercover cropped sweatshirt, which is from Undercover's Autumn Winter 17 collection. It's definitely a rare piece to come by nowadays, and I believe it's very expensive on Grailed as well. So I'm very glad that Sange took its own spin on this one, because I think the design and the fit is so good, and we definitely need more of that. The sweatshirt was unfortunately sold out in like 5 minutes or something, so I reckon it'll be hard to get your hands on unless you're paying resale. actually saw Sanj posting on his Instagram the other day that people are already reselling this piece on Grail for like over 300-400 bucks or something like that. So that's just the downside when you're releasing limited pieces, and the demand is definitely high. Yeah, I haven't really tried this piece on yet, so I'm really excited to see how it fits and what ideas I can come up with when styling it. So let's get straight to it. In this first outfit, I'm wearing a hoodie from Acne Studios underneath Sanj sweatshirt paired with the Rick Owens Creatch cargos and Ramones. What I really love when it comes to these types of crop pieces are to lay it over hoodies. It looks much more interesting and something you do not see that often in my opinion, and it is probably my favorite way to wear it. I just think it looks so much more nice to style it this way and to give the whole outfit especially more edge. Also, what I try to achieve here is definitely something more grunge type of look. For the second outfit, my approach here is something much more casual. I'm wearing a white t-shirt from Garcons underneath, marble washed jeans from Acne Studios, and for the sneakers, the Jordan 5 Off-White in the colorway black/muslin. This is probably how I would style Sanj's sweatshirt on a daily basis, and the other garments allows for the sweatshirt to be the statement piece. So very easy going outfit here, something that is definitely very safe. For the third and last outfit, this is how I would prefer to wear Sanj's sweatshirt if I was going to an event, party, etc. Just the way it is styled with a simple black t-shirt from Garcons underneath, trousers from Comme des Garçons and boots from Saint Laurent Paris elevates the outfit to something slightly more formal in my opinion. You can also easily switch out the footwear with almost anything here. So I would argue that the footwear sets the tone for whatever setting you are trying to achieve. And in that regard, if I were to tone down the outfit a bit, this outfit also then looks great with a pair of Ranger boots from Saint Laurent Paris. There you have it, guys. This is my take on Sanj sweatshirt. Again, congratulations to Sanj for finally releasing his collections, and I'm super excited to see what's coming. All of the garments that has been released so far makes so much sense to his own personal style, and I'm very happy to add this piece to my collection as well, because it really suits my own personal style. So I'm really excited to be supporting him more moving forward. Thank you guys so much for watching my video until the end. Make sure, if you have the time, to check out the other videos as well. I do not have that many. And also follow my Instagram if you want to. Shoot me a DM if you want to have a chat. I'd love to get to know you guys better. And yeah, until next time. Appreciate it always. Peace.